Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Lokhande. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies and my subject name is Entrepreneurship Management. And today my topic is business plan. So let's move further. So in business plan, I had took coffee shop. In that coffee shop, I place a name as a coffee spot cafe. So let's execute the summary. My mission is to all provide a friendly, comfortable atmosphere where the customers can receive quality food, drinks, and services at a reasonable price. My cafe will offer a variety of choices to the customer: cappuccinos, lattes, espresso, smoothies, regular coffee, soft drinks, and all etc. And all sorts will be available. Next is the cafe will also serve the Delhi style breakfast sandwiches with the ingredients like muffins and all etc. or coffee cake and other tasty treats. Next is the cafe always open from 6 to 4 p.m. and Sunday, Saturday. Next is short analysis. First is strength, reasonable price, wide variety of coffee and drinks, a lot of homemade treats. Next is weaknesses. The turn down in the economy, startup cost, new business, no reputations, and all that. My opportunities like opportunities for the many unemployed catering, trades, CCDs, barista, Starbucks, McDonald's, and other local cafes. Next is market analysis. Market analysis like a target market. My target market will be to annoying who enjoys coffee, but it will be mainly target people like age 15 and older, both male and female, and who are of the working class and students. Competition is like that. My competition will be CCDs, barista, Starbucks, McD's, and other local cafes. But major is CCD and college cafes and uh, restaurants is nearby. Next is market trends. Coffee is a drink of choice for many people across the India. Every morning, millions of people's really on the morning fixed to get going for the day. In India, recently the trend is increasing and more urban and semi-urban population is switching to coffee over the tea. So next is growth rate is of the market is around 20% annually and is expected to remain in double digits over the next decade. Next is marketing strategy. So my marketing strategy is that I will do as much as I can to get my business name known throughout the locality, and I plan to make the flyers to put on cards that have my business name, logo, and address on them, and it will be also list the day of the opening and will state that if you bring the flavor in through the first week of opening, so you can get a 20% of any drink of any size, and it will also have two coupons in the local newspaper for 35% of any purchase over the rupees 100 to create the buzz. And I will also have the reasonable prices, but they will not too big, not too high and low, and also that. So this is my logo and tagline. My logo is coffee spot cafe, and my tagline is love at first sip. So what will be the products in drinks like cappuccino, matcha latte, and other drinks like hot chocolate, hot tea, fountain drinks, juice, white and chocolate milk. In coffee there is like other brands, organic and French. So these are the products. And like a bakery products also there, smoothies also there, ice drinks we had kept, and it's total up to the cost to open list like a 5 lakh rupees. So startup cost like a first month rent is 10,000 per month, and these are the my all the comfortable soft mood like music, painting, feel at guest like at feel at home. Furniture fees is about 60,000, sofas and all that, table chairs, equipment fees is all about 1 lakh rupees, and coffee machine we will have. So air conditions, store cash registers and treatment. Supplies fees over the coffee snacks is up to coffee cups, napkins, packs and news etc. is up to 20,000. And first month's utensil fees, water and electricity fees also will be included. Advertising fees for the first month. Next is operating cost. Operating cost is of rupees 60,000 per year. Insurance of rupees 10,000 per year. Has estimate of rupees 81,543 per month for the total operating cost. Next is physical training. In that, smile, manners, good posture for the long time, balance, training skills, operation of the coffee machine. Next is skill training. In that, familiar with our product, coffee culture, proper reaction, inner decoration, never judge a person by his appearance, cooperation and leadership. In this, manager, accountant, human resource, in that training and services, for waiters will be there, cashier 1 and coffee maker will be 2. Next is employee pay. Waiter and waitress and cashier and coffee maker is rupees 15 per hour, and manager we have kept like a 7,500 per month. Accountant is for 5,000 per month. Total pay is rupees 37,700. So this was the price and revenue. Like a coffee, rupees 50 to 150 depend on the flavor, and cake is rupees 60 to 300 depends on the flavor. Cookies will be the 45 to 250. So it depend on the flavor. It will be also. So estimate sale is 125 cup coffees, 30 pieces of cakes and 30 pieces of cookies. So total revenue of day revenue is 75 into 125 plus 50 into 30 and plus 125 into 30 is equal to rupees 17,750. And the monthly revenue will be the rupees 17,750 into 30, so is equal to 5,32,500. Thank you.